Hi everyone. It's my third. I'm confused. Hi guys, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Welcome to my third reaction video of Beanie for today. Yeah, I'm doing this for like 3 hours now. It's really hot, but I'm gonna continue doing this video. So this video is entitled Beanie being part-time comedian. So I'm very excited with this one. It's full of Beanie this week, guys, since Beanie won the poll. If you haven't voted on that poll, you can still vote, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, happy October everyone. Before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot. Really, and I've been forgetting to say this.
You dumb fuck!
So, sending love, hug, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So, yeah, if you haven't watched the two videos that I made, these are the videos. So, please watch it. So, let's start the video in 3, 2, 1.
When the world was telling me no, I pushed my heart to just go. Pero ang gusto kong part talaga nung una, gusto the light of 1,000 other dreams coming true.
Nabidyoan ko yung
Unbothered Queens. I mean, she got a point.
Timan o itong langaw na to.
So I think it's very rare for Mika to actually cry in front of people. So yeah, guys, please record Mika when she cried on video. Oh my gosh, this is hard. I knew it. The way she's sitting there. Oh my gosh. She's having the time of her life, so let her be. Let's support her. Yeah. She's still continuing even though Colette is blocking her. Oh my gosh. She's in a good mood. Oh my gosh, Sheena. 8?
No.
That's a lot. Why? What happened?
Here with Beanie. I just want
I know this
help.
guy.
How to riz my girlfriend in Tagalog. I don't know Tagalog that much, but
Oh my
I got the
gosh.
riz masters right here.
Mamahalin kita kahit mabaho ang paa mo.
Mamahalin kita kahit ang paho ng paa mo.
Aw, baby.
What does that mean?
It actually means I will love you no matter what.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, Mika, you're in with this, Mika. Mika, you're in with this. Mika.
It means I will love you no matter what.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I love the awkward laugh of Maloy. Yeah, Maloy, I'm bad at lying as well. So yeah, let's not do that, guys.
Bahala na wala na akong pera, tiisin ko na lang. Kakain na lang ako ng bato.
Oo kayo.
She's literally. Like, I'm happy that she's singing for herself, but guys, sing for her.
Umiinom ng ibang soft drinks si Mix dahil Coke lang.
Really? Is this an advertisement?
Para sa Coke. Are you guys ready? But wait, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, I think they're ready because silence means yes. So, let's give it up for the universe!
Go, Sheena.
Ate Jo, Ate Colette, and Ate Gwen!
Lahat ng shades.
Oy, tamo, ang laki ng ibon. Ang laki ng ibon. Ang laki ng ibon. Ang laki ng ibon. Madisra, pinipinigil yan. Yan yung nasa amin. Madisra, pinipinigil yan. Ay, talaga.
You guys want more? Okay, bye-bye. BRB.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Thank you po sa pagsama sa amin. Again, we are Green Junior!
I really wanna attend one of this, guys. I'm getting jealous and jealous as time goes by. Oh my gosh.
Mika pag nasa backstage, hindi kang pagod. Oo, mag-high
Oh my
it's your time to shine. Saan? Ba't ka dito?
Why are you here?
Sabi ni Jo, siya lang daw yung may concert. Sabi niya, huwag na!
Oh my gosh.
Sabi, kulit egg yun. Diyos ay, hindi po, pasensya na. End call. Tuloy na. Hindi, tumigil kayo.
Colette is so cute.
Ay, Colette egg yun. Colette egg yun. Colette egg yun.
Oh my gosh.
Wala kang choice. Ayaw mo mag-video. Ay, Colette, 5, 6, 7, Sige na. Para sa Blooms. Tumigil kayo. Ayaw mo. Hindi, para for you lang.
Ang gaganda daw natin kahapon.
Oo.
Ngayon, kung ganito ako kainin, tatanggapin niyo ba ako? Hello po, salamat po sa lahat. Pero tatanggapin niyo ako pag ganito? Oo naman. Ah, okay. Sige, simula bukas. Kahit bungal ka, tatanggapin ka namin. Ito. Kaya din po, ang gut ng estudyante mo sa baba. Si Aya yung promotor. Gika mo. Kilig ko. Pero, di ako flattered. Iba-iba yung ginagawa lang. Ito, nagtitinginan ng dimples. Ito, nagtatros. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. Mix, andun na po si Mix. Ay, nangyari sa mata mo. She's maga. Swerte mo kung
Maga.
mapagbibigyan. Ingatan mo ang mag-ibig ng isang kagaibebe. Wash, 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 wash.
Maloy.
Is, do not eat. Drinking a lot of sun. Ito po ang beauty pag naging hyper.
Oh my gosh, so chaotic na rin. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!